Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Thursday, April 11, 2013. For the Volatility Index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX, we have a neutral reading on April of 1.8 with 18% of the total premiums paid. May, June, July, all are bearish readings with 66, 13, and 2% of the total premiums paid. The overall dollar-weighted put-call ratio has a bearish reading of 0.3. Here we have the daily chart for SPX. As you can see here, we were up 5.64 handles, a new all-time high here. We touched the target we've been looking here for this week, and as you can see here, I remain bullish here. I think we may test 1600, but from there on, I may start shorting for a little pullback. We are testing positive 3 sigma on the daily chart for the second consecutive day. For the Qs, here we have the daily chart. And as you can see here, we were basically flat to down today. And we were not able to break that 70 level. I think we're eventually having a pullback here and testing the 68 level again. If we go to the IWM chart, 0.14% up today, and we are not able to make a new high here. I think we're going to test the 92 and eventually test this low here of 90.42. For gold, here we have the daily chart. We were up 0.20%. As you can see here, we sold off, finishing almost at the lows of the day, but not quite. And I think we're coming to test this previous lows of 149.44. So I'm bearish here on GLD. For SLB, also bearish on silver. We were basically flat today after being up here. I think we're testing here this 25.74 level. So I'm bearish. I think it's a matter of time to go to test those levels. For Apple, we were down today on Apple, 0.3%. Basically flat here. I think we were coming to test this 50-day moving average of 445. And then we'll have to see what happens with earnings. For Netflix, here we have the Netflix chart. And as you can see here, we were up 4% here. I think we're coming to test this 50-day moving average. That would be a nice short opportunity at 180. If we go to Google, here we have the Google chart. We were basically flat today, 0.303 up here. I'm thinking of going to test the 50-day moving average at 797. Facebook, here we have the daily chart for Facebook. We were up 1.5%. We broke this 50-day and 100-day very nicely here. I think we're coming here to this previous high of 28.67. JP Morgan tomorrow coming with earnings before the market opens. I'm bullish here. I think we could go to 51.50 as our next target for tomorrow. Goldman Sachs testing the 50-day moving average. We're not able to break that and close above. I think we're eventually pulling back here to this previous lows of 140